Wow, we are back. Look at your work. Can you see? It looks like a magic, but it's not magic. It's just because we are not expanding, we are not increasing again. So we're just doing one, and that is how it keeps falling like this. Then there's something else I want you to notice here. This is the row we are doing here. It's like the completion of this row. So it's remaining just one stitch here to be done, one double crochet. Like I told you when we started, don't let this little space here, don't let it deceive you. You don't have to put your hook inside. You don't have to put your hook inside. And how do you maintain this type of fall? You make sure that all your double crochets here in each row that you're doing one, you make sure that everything is the same number. The eldest, if it is 10, let it remain 10. Everything when you count, like from 1, 2, 3, everything should be the same number. So if it is not the same number, there's probability that it's not going to be straight. Some will come out like this, some will be bulgy, and you don't maintain this straight what's it called now, this level. So now what you're going to do is, like I've always told you, you just put in your hook on the first double crochet and you do a slip stitch. But this time around, we're not going to do a slip stitch. We are going to do a slip stitch, but we want to join another color. I've taught you how to join another color. So just insert your hook. So you now take another color because you want to do a slip stitch. This one is a slip stitch this time around. So and we're going to pull through at the same time. So there should always be 2 here. So you just take it and pull through like this. So, and that's how to join using a slip stitch. So what you're going to do is you're going to just tie, give it a little tie. It can be twice something. Just this one must have snapped it off. So since you're not using it again, so just tie it like that. I don't think, okay, so the second one. So what you do now is you're going to chain your 2 as usual. This time around you still go below your, so you can work in this with it. Just go, continue doing your 1, so you can see I'm working with it. It's on top of this like this. So instead of me to be sewing in a long end, so I just keep working on top of this my tail, just like this. Keep on doing 1, keep on doing 1. So so when you look at the back, you see that you have worked over it. So you can just take your scissors and just snip it off. So I'll meet you at the end of the row.